Welcome to the Teamwork Excellence Series videos. Part 5. Modern Environments. Remote Collaboration, Hybrid Teams, Digital Tools, Virtual Meetings, Global Teams. Modern Teamwork Environments. Remote and virtual team collaboration. Establish digital communication norms. Set clear expectations for response times, video on requirements, working hours overlap, and availability indicators across time zones. Build remote trust. Create trust without physical presence through reliable delivery, transparent communication, regular video interactions, and following through on commitments. Combat digital isolation. Prevent loneliness and disconnection by scheduling informal virtual coffee chats, team social sessions, and non-work conversations. Master video meeting etiquette. Use video when possible, mute when not speaking, minimize distractions, prepare in advance, and engage actively rather than multitasking. Create virtual team rituals. Establish regular online stand-ups, weekly team calls, monthly all-hands, and virtual celebrations to maintain team cohesion. Document everything. In remote teams, over-communicate through written documentation since casual hallway conversations don't happen. Capture decisions, context, and rationale. Manage across time zones. For globally distributed Pakistani teams, rotate meeting times fairly, record sessions for those who can't attend, and use asynchronous communication thoughtfully. Maintain work-life boundaries. In remote work, establish clear start and end times, take breaks, create dedicated workspace, and avoid expectation of 24/7 availability. Build remote team culture. Intentionally create shared values, recognition practices, and team identity despite physical distance through consistent effort and creativity. Onboard remote members thoroughly. New team members joining remotely need extra effort, virtual buddy system, scheduled introductions, detailed orientation, frequent check-ins. Hybrid team management. Ensure equal participation. Prevent two-tier teams where office workers have advantages over remote workers. Give all members equal voice, visibility, and opportunities. Design hybrid meetings. When some attend in person and others virtually, use technology that gives remote participants equal presence, good cameras, mics, and facilitation. Create flexible work policies. Establish clear guidelines about when in-office presence is required versus when remote work is acceptable based on tasks and team needs. Synchronize team schedules. Identify core collaboration hours when all members are available regardless of location, while allowing flexibility for focused individual work. Balance synchronous and asynchronous. Use real-time meetings for complex discussions and relationship building, asynchronous communication for updates and information sharing. Maintain physical team spaces. For hybrid teams, design office spaces that facilitate collaboration when members are together rather than just providing individual desks. Rotate in-person time. If not all can be in office simultaneously, create rotation that ensures everyone gets face time with colleagues and leaders periodically. Address technology equity. Ensure all team members have adequate internet, devices, software licenses, and home office setup regardless of their location. Prevent proximity bias. Leaders must consciously avoid favoring team members they see physically over equally capable remote colleagues in assignments and promotions. Measure outcomes, not activity. In hybrid teams, evaluate based on results achieved rather than hours logged or physical presence observed. Digital collaboration tools and technologies. Choose right communication tools. Select platforms appropriate for your team needs. Instant messaging for quick questions, email for formal communication, video for complex discussions. Master project management software. Use tools like Asana, Monday.com, Jira, or Microsoft Project to track tasks, deadlines, dependencies, and progress transparently. Implement shared documentation. Create team knowledge bases using Google Docs, Notion, Confluence, or SharePoint where information is accessible to all members. Use visual collaboration boards. Apply digital whiteboards like Miro, Mural, or Microsoft Whiteboard for brainstorming, planning, and visual thinking together. Adopt file sharing systems. Establish organized cloud storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, with clear folder structures and permission management. Leverage collaboration platforms. Use tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom effectively for integrated communication, video calls, and team coordination. Enable real-time co-creation. Work simultaneously on documents, presentations, and spreadsheets using Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 collaborative features. Protect information security. Implement proper cybersecurity practices, strong passwords, two-factor authentication, VPNs, and secure file sharing, especially for Pakistani teams handling sensitive data. Integrate tools strategically. Connect your platforms so information flows automatically between systems rather than requiring manual duplication and updates. Train team on technology. Provide adequate training so all members can use digital tools effectively regardless of their technical background or generation. Virtual meeting excellence. Plan meeting purpose clearly. Before scheduling, define specific objective, decision needed, problem to solve, information to share, and only meet if necessary. Create detailed agendas. Distribute agenda with topics, time allocations, pre-reading materials, and expected outcomes at least 24 hours before meeting. Start and end on time. Respect everyone's schedule by beginning punctually and finishing within allocated time, even if all topics aren't covered. Engage all participants. Use techniques like round-robin check-ins, polls, chat participation, breakout rooms, and direct questions to prevent passive attendance. Master facilitator skills. Designate facilitator to guide discussion, manage time, ensure balanced participation, capture key points, and keep meeting focused. Use video strategically. Require video for relationship-building meetings. Make it optional for routine updates. Consider audio only for large presentations to reduce bandwidth needs. Manage technical challenges. Have backup plans for connectivity issues. Start with tech check. Mute when not speaking. Use chat for questions. Record important sessions. Follow up effectively. Send meeting notes with decisions made, action items assigned, deadlines set, and next steps within 24 hours while discussion is fresh. Reduce meeting fatigue. Build in breaks for longer sessions, schedule shorter meetings when possible, allow camera off periods, and create meeting free time blocks. Evaluate meeting value. Regularly assess which meetings are truly necessary versus those that could be emails, recorded updates, or asynchronous discussions. Cross-border and global teams. Navigate cultural differences. When Pakistani teams work with international colleagues, they should understand different communication styles, decision-making norms, and workplace expectations. Manage time zone complexity. For teams spanning multiple regions, establish fair rotation of inconvenient meeting times, use asynchronous work effectively, and plan deliverable handoffs. Address language barriers. When the team includes non-native English speakers, speak clearly, avoid idioms, confirm understanding, use visual aids, and be patient with accents. Respect cultural holidays. Maintain a calendar of religious and national holidays across team locations: Pakistani, Eid, Independence Day, Indian, Diwali, Western, Christmas, and plan around them. Build cross-cultural intelligence. Invest in learning about teammates' cultures, business practices, social norms, and communication preferences to collaborate effectively. Establish common standards. Despite cultural differences, create shared team standards for quality, communication, decision-making, and accountability that everyone follows. Leverage global diversity. Use diverse perspectives from different countries and cultures as strategic advantage for innovation, market understanding, and problem solving. Handle conflicts sensitively. Recognize that conflict resolution approaches vary by culture. Some prefer direct confrontation, others value face-saving and indirect approaches. Create inclusive leadership. Ensure leadership style works across cultures. Pakistani respect for hierarchy may differ from Western egalitarian approaches or East Asian consensus models. Build global team identity. Develop team identity that transcends national boundaries while respecting individual cultural backgrounds and creating belonging for all. Please access the following websites for the book, Teamwork Mastery. Building high-performing teams with values and global best practices for leaders, family businesses, and organizations. Where faith meets excellence. 34 principles to transform your team. https://tinyurl.com/teamwork-mastery-bj. http://ekatab.pk. These links are pasted on the footer of this slide.